Hey, what's going on everybody? Welcome back to our channel. Today we are staying at the Harrah's Las Vegas. So today we're actually staying here at the Harrah's because it is mine and my daughter's birthday. My daughter's birthday is today and mine is tomorrow. So we will be spending 2 nights here and showing you guys around. So overall, we really like how nice this room is. Nice, sleek, and modern. We do like all the nice walls, accent walls that they have going on here. Obviously having a mini bar with your own fridge that you're able to stock stuff in there is obviously a plus for us all the time. Do like the view. It is just from the other side of the Harrah's. It's not a crazy view, but it is a good looking view. At least you do have a view, right? And the room is pretty spacious also. It's just as big as a living room. 2 queen size beds, so that's a plus. The restroom also has a very big, nice soak-in tub, which obviously we're gonna put to use. Nice bubble bath in there. Also in the restroom looks very nice, sleek, modern. Love that. The toilet and the shower are in the same room. I don't know if that's an issue for some of you guys. Not that much for me. Yeah, I wish the toilet was kind of separate, but it's okay, it'll do. There's also a nice pull-out bed, which is good if you're having guests over. A lot of hotels don't really offer that too, so that's very good. That's also a plus. Nice big mirror also as soon as you walk in, so that's for sure a plus right there. Gotta check yourself out before you leave. Also a plus for everybody who's doing their makeup. It has a nice vanity, nice lit up, so you guys can do your makeup, which obviously a lot of hotels don't offer that. That's a big plus for sure. So you can look all dolled up, all cute, right, whenever you walk out the hotel. So that's a plus instead of having to do it just right there in the restroom and the sink. Got your own little space for that. So that's a plus. So we're gonna go downstairs, see what we can eat. Hopefully find something good because we're starving, huh?
This is a big quesadilla.
What is it?
Salsa, steak quesadilla, carne asada, guacamole.
I'm just going to put a little bit more cheese.
And what did you get, Ina?
Pizza.
Pizza.
Yeah, the pizza and these garlic knots look really good.
So good.
And then I got a chicken quesadilla. Oh, with guac. I don't know.
Yeah. It
And
comes
some fries.
and 2 fries.
Fries.
It was very fast.
So we're gonna test it out right now. See how it is. See these fries.
I got salt.
Yeah, I had no salt, but we got some here. Want to take a bite? Girl.
Good?
Good. All right, guys. We'll give you a review because we're starving after we're done. Look at how thick that is. And cheese.
My
Take a
pizza's
bite.
so good. Hey guys.
Let me see your take a bite of your pizza.
Okay, I already did that one.
Yeah, these quesadillas are thick as hell. Oh my god. Alright guys, so we just got back from eating. That was so good.
You liked your pizza?
Yeah.
Yeah, honestly, the portion size were really good. We could have just got one of those quesadillas, but we saved some for later because they were so good.
Mm-hmm.
The
And
meat
it was very fast.
Yeah, well, yeah, very fast for sure. We were starving and we're like, what should we go eat? And we went downstairs and you order your food and within like 5, I would say less than 10 minutes, like 5 minutes it's done. It's like kind of cafeteria style where you could kind of pick which little section you want. And the meat from the chicken and the meat from the asada were so nice and tender. They just pulled right apart. It was so good. How was the pizza for you and the garlic knots? Good. Yeah, everything was good for sure. Even if you're not at Harrah's, I mean, if you want to come come down to that little section and eat. For
You're
sure.
just starving and you need something right.
Yeah, it was so good. It hit the spot. Even Iana, she never gets really tired and wants to sleep, but
She fell asleep on
her
my
eyes were
leg.
droopy for sure.
No, she fell asleep on my leg.
Yeah. But all right, guys, I think we're gonna take a little nap after that super good meal. All right.